Kansas City this weekend. It looks like it's going to be raining. The National Topless Day. Brian Cooper, sorry we're missing it, but really not excited to be riding around in the rain with the top off. So glad we chose to come to Disney this weekend and get to do a little camping and wheeling. It's going to be fun. Never been to Grand Lake or Disney, so it's just going to be a new adventure. Get to camp and wheel.
And then we had to leave at 4:30 this morning. So that was fun. That's why we got.
After a 3-hour drive from Kansas City, we landed in Disney, Oklahoma. We met up with the group from Lake of the Ozark Jeep Club and started setting up our tent. We were expecting rain overnight, so we made sure everything was buttoned up really good on the tent, which we did get a lot of rain that night, and we were really happy because we stayed 100% dry. were really excited about seeing just all the open rock and flat areas to really take any line you wanted to go out in Disney. Disney is also known for this section and also known for all the streams and water that you can constantly crawl through. And one of the big things that's really fun and also to know about Disney is you are at the bottom of the dam from Grand Lake in Oklahoma. And if you start hearing the sirens, it means that they're letting water out, and where we are wheeling is all of a sudden going to become an overflow from the lake. So you have 30 minutes to get to higher ground once you start hearing those sirens. But luckily for this weekend, no sirens. We got to wheel wherever we wanted to at the bottom of Grand Lake, and coming through these streams. Some of them were as deep as we could even really want. If you had a snorkel, you could submerge all the way up to your hood. The deepest we ever got was whenever headed back to an area known as the waterfall that you can crawl up. We got to the rock sliders with water, which was pretty exciting. That's the first time we've ever been anything really having the tires fully submerged.
Spotlight every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rolled off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. We could be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Traveling.
Under your spotlight.
Got out, drive shaft out, bed. We're all up. You're good. Do what?
Face to face, I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me, it tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can, yes you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above and let it glow. Just know that it's never too late to make a change. Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love, breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn.
So by this point, we'd been wheeling for about 11 hours, and obviously was coming down towards the end of our day. Once we saw Nick roll over, the initial thought was to run over to the other side. My concern was that his head was going to be in the water and not be able to breathe. As soon as we get to the other side, you'll be able to see that Nick's head and his passenger, they're both completely out of the water. So we decided to just keep rolling and get some good footage for Nick and just be able to document this Jeep rollover and the recovery process. Luckily, no one was hurt. The Jeep did get some pretty good damage, but again, luckily, no one was hurt in this process. They both were able to climb out safely and were perfectly fine.
This one for the person who feels alone. This one for the hero who has no home. This one for the one who live for hope. Changing better days. Pick your head up, keep on fighting, living, loving. Make your mind up. If you want it, take it, fly away, soaring high above the clouds. Hear the voices calling out. Oh, you are love.
Hey, he's not out yet. Hey, stay on the brake. He's out.
Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Make your mind up. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love. Breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just